In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on Safe Search in Google Chrome on any Android smartphone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Chrome app. Once it is done, tap right here at these three dots and then select Settings. On Settings, we need to tap Add Privacy and Security, and then if we scroll down a bit, we can easily find Safe Browsing here. By default, it is off. The option which is called No Protection is selected now. As you can see, it is not recommended, so we need to choose one of the other options like Standard Protection or Enhanced Protection. I prefer to use Standard Protection. It will protect you against sites, downloads and extensions that are known to be dangerous. But here is one more setting that we need to configure. At Privacy and Security, we can easily also find Use Secure DNS, and that's where we need to tap right here. So first off, by default it is set to use your current service provider. However, you need to tap at Choose Another Provider, then tap at this drop down, and that's where you need to choose Clean Browsing Family Filter. That's how you can easily turn on Safe Mode in Google Chrome on any Android smartphone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.